Ava. Go. Okay, we're still eating and drinking. Hi, friends. It's time for Sunday setup. Now, it's kind of late for me to be filming a Sunday setup. It's like 6:48 on a Sunday evening, but I got so much done today. In the morning time, we had dance time with the girls, and you know, my husband and I enjoyed our coffee while the girls just performed and danced for us. And I washed my hair, and I did a folded laundry, washed a couple loads. Hubby folded a couple of loads. I picked out the girls' clothes for the week, and then you know, it's so gloomy here today that the girls ended up taking like a long nap. Both of them took like a 3-hour nap, which is rare. Okay, but they've kind of been battling this cold, and I find that the best thing for them is just to get extra rest. So I let them sleep. Hopefully we won't be paying for it tonight, but I did let them sleep super long. And while they were sleeping, my husband and I enjoyed a movie together, something that we rarely get to do when we are at home with them. We watched Doctor Strange, and it's been amazing. So now I'm just not in the mood to cook. I did not take anything out of the freezer. My mom actually cooked pot pie, so my husband's gonna pick that up, and I'm gonna do the girls' hair. Now, if you'd like to see what I do typically for my Sunday setups, you can download my Sunday setup checklist in the description box for free, and then you can create your own list. So yeah, now I'm gonna do the girls' hair. For sure, I'm gonna do that, and then I'll probably pick out my clothes and stuff. It's so easy for me to pick out my clothes ever since I decluttered my closet. If you haven't seen that video, it was seriously life-changing for me. If you haven't seen that video, tap this eye right here because it is so good. So, hey, one down, one to go. We are, of course, watching Barbie. Turn around, babe. Ooh, pretty baby girl. All right, so Zara's hair is done. Ava's hair is just not, I'm not gonna get to it today. Sit down, baby. Because it's late, because we just finished eating, and it's 9:28. The girls typically go to bed at 8:30, but like I said, they stayed up so late. I'm gonna tie Zara's hair up, and I'll do Ava's hair tomorrow when I get home from work. So now we're just gonna have our prayers and put the girls down, and then I'll try to pick out my clothes for the week. All right, now I'm putting some of the last load of laundry in the dryer. I have to make up Ava's bed really quick because she had an accident when she napped today. So I'm gonna put her sheets on, her clean sheets and blankets, which are right here. And then I'll be able to relax a little bit more. All right, making the bed up. Come on, girls, let's read our devotions really quick. So another thing that I like to do now, since my dad comes and picks the girls up in the morning and my mom gets them dressed and take them to school, I pack their bag for the day, and I put their iPads in there and any schoolwork that I'll have them do. So that's what I'm doing now. If you haven't seen my recent day in the life video, you can tap this out right here. It's so easy to pick out my clothes in my new closet. So easy. So now I'm just gonna pick out what I'm gonna wear, or at least have an idea in my head. I don't have to lay them out like I do the girls, but as long as I have an idea, I'm good to go. Okay, so now I'm about to pack the girls' lunch so I don't have to do it tomorrow morning. All right, the lunches are packed in the fridge. These go. If you want to know what I pack the girls for lunch, I just posted a video all about what I pack for their lunches and what they eat, what they don't eat. You can tap this eye right here. All right, my friends, so girls are in bed, picked out their clothes, picked out my clothes, packed lunches, packed our bags, and so I'm ready to just relax and get ready for bed. So thank you guys so much for watching. I didn't do much filming. I mean, the old me probably would have felt like this was like a failure of a Sunday setup, but you know, I just decided for 2018, if I want to relax on a Sunday, then I'm gonna relax on a Sunday, and everything else will get done. As long as I get my a few of the core things done, my week will still progress fine. I didn't get a chance to meal plan, and I didn't get a chance to grocery shop, but I will do that tomorrow. So it's no big deal. It is what it is. So I'm just gonna relax for the evening and spend time with my hubby. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, tap my picture up above, and you can also check out my previous video right over here, and all of my social media platforms all listed down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.